Hey everyone, today I am going to model this very simple shampoo bottle. I have also got a reference image for my help, so let's start with the video. First let's add a circle. I will adjust the vertices. Now let's go to edit mode and extrude it to a certain height. Now I will select these vertices and do an extrude and scale it inside. Extrude again, and again extrude and scale it inside. Then I will go to face and do a grid fill. Now let's add some bevels. Let's do shade smooth. I will add some bevels to rest of the soft edges. Now let's select these edges and add a bevel. I will adjust the segments and profile. Now to make the upper part, I will select the inner ring of vertices and extrude it. Now let's select these edges and add a bevel. Now I will duplicate the selected vertices in edit mode, and separate it and make a new element. Now with a combination of extrude and scale, I will build the upper part of the shampoo bottle. Now I will add bevel to add sharpness to all the soft edges. Now I will make the nozzle. For that I will select 4 faces. And extrude them. Resize them. Add a loop cut, and adjust the size. I will remove these extra edges which I don't need, they are creating unneeded effects. Now to create the hole, I will select these 4 faces. Inset them. I will add some bevel to the outer edges to give it some support. Now I will select these 4 faces and inset them. And delete the inner selected faces. Let me add some bevel to the inner edges to make them sharp. Okay, now let's add a plane and some background. Let me add an area light. Let me just adjust the camera properly. Now I will add a simple white color texture to the bottle. I will adjust the roughness. I will make the background dark. Let me add bevel to the background to make it smoother. Now let's adjust the lighting by duplicating the area light and adjusting it as per requirement. Now I will add black color to the bottle cap and adjust the roughness. It is very important to make sure the face orientation is correct. It should not be red. Now to add the shampoo text or logo, I will add 2 loop cuts. I will select these 4 faces and UV unwrap them. Now let's go to shader editor. Here we already have the existing white material. Let's add a mix shader. Then add an image texture. I had created an image with black background and white text. I will open it here. Now I will add texture mapping to control the position of the logo. I will go to UV editing and adjust the position. Let me try to adjust the rotation here as well. Now I will duplicate this image texture and open a same image but with black text and white background. And attach it in mix shader. I will add the same texture mapping to this image texture node as well. And swap the node's places as well in mix shader. Before we end, let's apply all the modifiers. There you go. Our simple shampoo bottle model is done. Thanks for watching, hit subscribe if you liked the video. Bye.